Good day, class. So now, let's discuss about the living things and non-living things. We see many things around us. So muna ang mga example sa living things and non-living things, class. Things that have life are living things. So like for example is tree, cow, and girl. Things that do not have life are non-living things. So like for example, balloon, pen, leather. Living things. Living things can move, can grow, can breathe, can reproduce, needs food and water. Non-living things. A non-living things class is cannot move, cannot grow, cannot breathe, and cannot reproduce, and does not need food and water. Now let's see about living things and non-living things in more details. Living things can move. Oh, human being move using their legs. Oh, ang bata is nabaklay gamit ang iyang tiil. Animals use their legs to move. Fish swim in the water. Birds can fly using their wings. Living things can grow. So, baby grow into the child and grow into the man. Calf grow into a cow. A baby calf grow into a cow. A baby duckling grow into a duck. Seed, plant, and tree. Parehara class, same way lang. Living things needs food and water. Yes, for survival. Human being depends upon plants and animals for their food. So kita nga mga living things class is magkaon kita. Plants make their own food using water, soil, and sunlight. Animals depends upon plants, other animals for their food. Living things that can breathe. Human being are and animals can breathe using their lungs. Yes. Plant inhale carbon dioxide from the surroundings. Living things can reproduce. Reproduction is the process by which a living thing creates a likeness of itself. A woman gives birth to a baby. A dog gives birth to a puppy. A bird lay eggs. From eggs, young ones come out and grow. Non-living things are man-made things. Man-made things. So, mga example nga nahimo sa mga living things. House, leather, guitar, bell, gift, table, toy, soap. Yes. Mo na ang mga example sa mga nabuhat sa living things. Some of the natural things are also called non-living things. Natural things, water, stone, sun, stars, and moon. So that's all for today, class. I hope nga naamoy na tunan. So goodbye and thank you.